Greetings, this is DT with Interactive Homeschooling, and today I'm back to share the setup for my eldest daughter. She is taking physical science this year, and as you know, I've been putting together their science kits for the year, hoping to save some time for other things throughout the year. So since they're all taking different subjects for science or studying different sciences this year, I wanted to make sure we were prepared. So my eldest daughter is taking physical science, and so these are some of the things that I have set aside for her. The year has been set up for her, and it's broken up into three main pieces or three main components for physical science. One area is going to be dealing with chemistry, so she'll be studying atoms, molecules, compounds, chemical reactions, and things of that nature for the chemistry component. And for that piece, I have several things set up for her. Again, luckily, she's the second child, so some of these things we've had with our eldest, and we're just reusing some of these, okay? So one of our favorites is the molecular model set. We've had this for about 6 years, and my eldest has used this for different areas. So she'll be using this year while she's studying the atoms and molecules. For the chemistry set component, we'll also be utilizing again we have the Thames and Kosmos Chem C2000. There is another set, the 3000, that came out, but this one has been working well. I've had to buy a few extra chemicals to restock, but we've taken care of that. Not a lot, but we've had to restock some of these, so she'll be using this. This has lots of different labs and experiments that she can use for the hands-on piece of the chemistry unit. All of those have been stored here, so when she gets to that part, all she'll have to do is grab these two sets, and it is filled with the chemicals here on the bottom, all stocked and labeled, and she has a lot of the equipment that she'll need to complete the labs here. So that's for the chemistry piece. Another component for the physical science unit, she'll be studying motion, introduction to motion, physics, different types of forces of motion, and the Newton's laws and all of that good stuff. So for that part, we'll be using, we actually got this year and used it, my son used it, and we loved it. So we're using the Connects Education Roller Coaster Physics, and this particular set is the school set. It comes with everything you need, including the guides, the teacher's guides, student guides, and handouts. So it has labs to complete. So this one is actually has things that are going to be above the level that she needs to be at, and we won't do those parts, but she'll still be using this to build all of the different inclined planes and being able to study kinetic energy and potential energy. She'll be able to do the calculations for speed, rate, distance, things of that nature. She'll still be able to complete those with this particular set. It does allow her to calculate some of the other forces, so she'll be using this set for that. And let's see, the last part that is included in that is the aspect of sound waves, electromagnetic forces, light energy, and those types of things, and magnetism. So for that area, she will use this one this set for magnets, and it's actually classroom attractions. This won't take her long, just to review the different rules and things that she needs to, just to recall for the use of magnets in the set. Kind of looks like this, lots of magnets and compasses and metal pieces. So she'll use that. And I've put together some kits for her to use. So I assembled everything that she needs, looked up a lot of different labs on Pinterest, and looked up lots of different labs in the physics classroom. So we have a lot of things here on building a battery. So she has everything there to build a penny battery. Studying static electricity, a lot of different experiments here, like the salt and pepper and balloons and cones, everything together there. This one is for electrolysis. To all of the pieces that she needs to build a motor. And let's see, an electromagnet. And set up to build an electromagnet this year. And this last one is a larger project, which she'll be doing a house wiring project, which I found also online. So she'll use this box and she'll actually be wiring the shoebox like it was a room in a house. So that'll be a project that she'll be completing as well. We have a few other things that are already set aside. But again, what I wanted to do is just show how we were dividing up the year for her for physical science, some of the topics that we'll be covering, and just trying to organize the sets again for all of them, so they'll be able to kind of move at their own pace if they want to move faster. These things will be ready, and then I won't be scrambling to catch up if this one's moving faster than this child. All of these things will be ready for them and not holding them back or holding us back. So I hope you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll be back with my son who is studying biology this year. So I'll be taking care of the rest of his lab shortly.